Good morning, everyone. So as you have noticed, I was away for quite a long time off YouTube, and I haven't been uploading any new content for the past few months already, almost a year now. And there is a reason to it, but I'm not going to explain that reason now, since today what I'm doing now is we are the 86 groups. A few of our 86 guys are supporting the SFC Subaru Fun Crew on their breakfast run. So since we do have a boxer engine and it is a Subaru group, so we are going to join them and just to support each other, right? Boxers, you know, Subarus, we have to support each other. Even though we are driving a Toyota 86 GT86 FRS, doesn't matter, we are a family. So today, right now, it's around 5:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to the meeting point. Once I'm there, I'll shoot some videos in regards to all these Subarus and hopefully a few 86s that I can see. And please enjoy. Okay, seems like we all have arrived. There's a really shit ton of Subarus. This is the biggest one I've ever seen, to be honest. And yeah, I'm just grabbing my morning energy drink just so I have the energy to go on the run. Haven't been on such a, such an early run for a long time. There's more arriving. I'll show you guys now. One special breed.
It's rough, bro. It's rough. We zijn de eerste jaar of my year, she takes all of my
Yo, look how this guy.
Yeah, so this is Iki right here. This guy decided to top up his 86 before the run. Why are you topping it up again? If you don't mind explaining a little bit. Okay, yeah, this is his Stubert air intake, Stubert strut bar. Watch him spool all over the engine. Oh my lord. Oh, okay, that's a good one. Oh, that's good. Oh, smooth. And there's Dale, the man himself. Ha! Huawei versus Samsung. Who's better? Shoot you, shoot me. Okay, and this is his license, number plate. So yeah.
No beating, not today.
Touch wood, fingers crossed. Guys, remember this one that I did a review on? Quick review. Yeah, this is the WRX. Still looking beautiful. If you guys want to know what's happening with this car, you can check out my previous video in the corner, then you will see.
Find your way back home.
Okay guys, we are now officially on our way. Okay, right, and now I need to... Okay, I need to catch up with the 86 guys, 86 guys, 86 guys. Woo-hoo! Here we go, guys. Enjoy.
Until you find your way back home.
Okay, so we have arrived at our first stop, DP Engine, or DP Garage, not engine, DP Garage, and now which is our first stop. Everyone after the run just to take a pee before we go further down our route. Bunch of foresters. Awesome. That was a nice chill drive. It's quite a nice, cool weather today, so the engine should be very happy with the cold air. And the turbos, they will love it. So we're at middle of the stop. Everyone's taking a break after that lekker long straight runs. Yeah, we somewhere in the wild. Very beautiful at the back. That's my colleague. And yeah, roughly I counted we had about 32 cars, which is a really great success. 32 cars, wow. Huge, huge, huge breakfast run, that, well, the biggest one that I ever attended in Cape Town, so very, very excited and very proud of it. And these are all Subarus, Forester, WRX, STIs, and we got a few BRZ and 86s. very beautiful area. The scene is very nice, and yeah, everyone is still chilling, and we are about to leave in the next probably 5 minutes. Love the lines. Hey guys, unfortunately that is the end of the video. So I have to thank SFC for organizing such a beautiful breakfast run. It was very early in the morning. We all had to meet around 6 o'clock by that meeting place, and we left about 6:30. So the run was plus or minus 2 hours or so, but I have to leave at the last moment and wasn't able to complete the course 100% because I got work, so I need to take a detour and get back to work. But I hope you guys really enjoy this video. It's been a while since I came back and doing this vlog, so I might get a little bit nervous on camera, and it's a little bit choppy, so it's not as smooth as I thought it would be because I'm still trying to get used to this new camera phone that I have. But anyways, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have anything to say it. I don't mind. Any criticism is good, as long as you say something nice or not that harsh. Then I'll give you a like of your comment. Ciao.